Hello there, family. Today I'm going to show you how to add your website homepage as the main page for your website. Okay, so right now when you visit my website, you can see it takes you straight to the blog as the default. I'm going to show you how to get a page to show up as your default page, as your home page. All right, first thing you want to do is you want to go to dashboard, okay, and then you go to pages. All right, so I have a home page here. I'm going to show you how it looks right now. I'm going to view it. That's how the home page looks. So I want this page to show up because right now, if you type in my web address, which is here, I'm going to type it in for you, landing.siterubix.com, it's going to take you to my blog. I don't want that. I want it to take you to my home page. So the way you do that is we're going to go to our dashboard, okay, WordPress dashboard, and then you're going to click settings and reading. So we're going to click settings, and then I want you to go ahead and click reading. Okay, now it's going to give you an option right here. It says your latest post or a static page. You want to select a static page, and then for your home page you want to select the home, okay, because we want our home to be our home page. So we're going to click save changes. So now when you visit my website, which is landing.siterubix.com, if you hit refresh, it should take you to my homepage. So that's how you can make your homepage the main page of your website. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. If this video has given you any value, don't forget to like, follow, share, subscribe, however you want to do it. God bless.